So you want to start a water transfer printing business. Where do you begin? Professional training. TWN's Water Transfer Printing certification is the most recognized in the industry. We will teach you every step of the process and show you how to build a successful business with our unique coating technology. Whether you're a manufacturer looking to certify your staff to increase efficiency, or a local customization shop looking to expand, our 2-day certification course will focus on your unique needs. Our curriculum includes prepping, painting, dipping, clear coating, and quality control. And after you complete our course, you'll receive a certificate and be recognized as an official TWN Certified Processor. Join our global network of processors and take your business to the next level today.